sorry to interrupt your program, but breaking news: a world called the Backrooms has known two people no-clipping through these areas. These are rooms that have people no-clipped that have taken photos by scientists. Area 1. Area 2. Area 3. If your object or a friend has no-clipped through these rooms, contact help or scientists. This footage is taken on 9:45 on June 21st, 1995.
Error 65, error 65, error 65, error 65, error 65, error 65.
People who have been no-clipping out of these places, they were saying that they were seeing creatures. They were saying they happen in levels, which is level 0, level 1, level 2, level 1.6888123888133868133681336819283682. Do you the whistle help me? 12346888128. They were singing nests in different levels. See, this was a recording in 1990 of someone seeing the nest.
Oh my god.
He died, his body was ripped apart, bodies were, it was squirting blood, everything is organs from the outside, while he was still alive. He was screaming for help, no one came to save him. This is the picture of him dead, and the photo was taken by scientists.
What has happened to me? Help me now, please help me now, please, I don't care.
Rescue me, no one came to save me.
Hello? Where is my dad?